Have you ever tried to tell your parents that they hurt you? And instead of listening, they got angry? Instead of asking, "What did I do?" they told you, "After all I've done for you, you say I failed?" Well, you're not blaming them. You're just trying to explain what it felt like. But all you hear is denial, deflection, and guilt tripping. Why is it so hard for some parents to admit they caused emotional pain, even if they didn't mean to? I mean, many parents find it incredibly hard to admit they may have emotionally hurt their child. Not because they're bad people, but because they were never taught how to reflect. Emotional maturity plays a huge role in all this. Especially if your parents were never shown empathy, they likely don't know how to give it. Add to that generational trauma. Many of them were raised in households where emotions were weaknesses. They were told to suppress, not express, to provide, not connect. So when we say, "I felt unloved," they hear, "You're saying I failed?" And their defense walls go straight up. Instead of sitting with your pain, they say, "I gave you the best education. You had everything you ever asked for." I mean, material comfort becomes their proof of good parenting. But here's the truth, a full lunchbox doesn't always mean a full heart. You can have clothes, toys, and school fees paid and still feel deeply unseen, unheard, and emotionally disconnected. But when we try to express that, we are met with blame. What about you? What did you ever do for me? Did you ever try to understand my struggles as a parent? Suddenly, it's not about your pain anymore. It's about theirs. You hear things like, "You were a difficult child. You could have spoken up earlier. Why now, after so many years?" And the most painful one, "If you were mature enough, you would have helped me." But tell me honestly, who is the child and who is the parent? At what age is a child expected to be emotionally wise enough to understand adult suffering and parental limitations? We looked up to them for guidance, for clarity, for comfort. And when we finally build the courage to speak decades later, all we get is blame. And it's not always loud. Sometimes the most damaging words come out sounding calm, but cut deep. It's like, "Stop overthinking. You're being too sensitive. That's not how it happened." These phrases may sound harmless, but over time, they quietly teach you to distrust your own feelings, to question your own reality. That's emotional invalidation, isn't it? And it's a slow erosion of self-worth. Most adult children aren't asking for their parents to be perfect. We're not looking for a breakdown of every mistake for that matter. What we really want is a recognition, a moment of honesty, a moment of connection, just to hear, "I didn't realize you felt that way. I'm really sorry. I'm not gonna dismiss your feelings anymore. Go ahead and tell me what it is." Like, that one sentence can carry more healing than years of silent resentment ever could. But what I don't understand is, why is maintaining the image of being a good parent more important than being a present one now? Why is it easier to blame than to pause and understand your own child's pain? What's so threatening about an honest conversation? A relationship doesn't heal by pretending everything was perfect. It heals when someone says, "Maybe I didn't get everything right, but I want to listen now." Isn't that more powerful than defending a reputation? Because in the end, what will matter more? That you were seen as flawless, or that you actually repaired the relationship with your child and it is thriving at this point of time? But here's what I've come to realize. Healing isn't about changing their minds. It's about finally giving your truth a voice. You may never get the apology, you may never get that moment of recognition, and that's a pain of its own. But your pain is valid, and your journey doesn't need their permission. Just because they won't admit it doesn't mean it did not happen. And just because they don't say sorry doesn't mean you're not allowed to heal. You are not ungrateful. You are not dramatic. You're just human. And sometimes speaking your truths is the most powerful closure you'll ever get. You deserve to be heard, irrespective of whatever the result is. Even if the ones you needed it from still can't listen.